Yo, what's good? What's good? It's your boy Matty Ice Cold Crypto, man. Just wanted to come to y'all today to do a quick video, man. Post halving, man. Bitcoin done halved. Happened earlier today, man. Oh, man, what's going on with Bitcoin after the halving and man, kind of where I think it's going to go, and just a little bit about what's happened over the last couple days, man. Didn't do a video the other day. The last time I did a video, man, Bitcoin was still sitting around about 9,800, $10,000. But we see, man, on Saturday, Bitcoin had its pullback. So you can see right now, man, we sitting at 8,600. Matter of fact, we're sitting at 86.69 right here on Coin Market Cap. So I'm kind of thinking on where we going to be going over the next few days after this halving. We can check it out. Let's look at this chart here. So we can see this is the 1 day chart. So you can see, man, we was trading right around that $10,000 point right here, man. You can see it on this candle right here. We went as high as $10,045. We couldn't stay above there. Let's take it back to the 4-hour chart. Just kind of see, so you can kind of see we got above that close to 10,000. We was trading right up there for a few hours, but we couldn't stay above it. And you kind of see once we fell below it and we tried to break back above that resistance line right there, once we didn't have enough momentum, we came on down. You kind of see we hit that support right there around about 8,100. So now we kind of trading in this range right here. Kind of uncertain where we going. I do know I feel like we're gonna be trending up, you know what I'm saying, throughout the year. But do we have another leg down? We could have another leg down and go as low as maybe 7,000. To be honest, I don't think so. I think we done found our support somewhere right in here. I think the lowest we may go is about 8,200. Bounce off of this, and then I see us kind of working our way up. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a trader. That's just kind of what I'm seeing just from everything else that's going on in the market. But Bitcoin is so unpredictable. We don't know. We can find new lows here, but I do believe we're gonna bounce off of one of these and then continue to trend higher and get back up over that $10,000 point. And then once we trying to crack that 14,000 again, and then head back 1,000 by the end of the year. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Other than that, man, just want to do a quick video talking about what's going on after the halving. So the halving happened. So now we got less Bitcoin on the scene every day. We was, I believe, mining about 1,800 Bitcoin a day. Now we down to 900 Bitcoin a day. So less Bitcoin, making it more scarce as more adoption happens and more people coming into Bitcoin. We got less supply with a lot more demand coming in. Hey, say the price should go up, so we're gonna see what it's going to do over this next few months, and by the time we get to the end of the year. But again, man, if you haven't been joining me on Fridays, man, we dollar cost average. So that's, again, like looking at this chart, that's again why I hope you did not FOMO into Bitcoin as we was heading into this halving. That's why I talk about dollar cost average. I was hoping we had a little more steam, that we could have got up a little high over 10,000, maybe to 10,500 before the halving, and then took a pullback. I knew we was going to pull back, but looked like a lot of the whales, man, a lot of the sellers pulled the trigger around this $10,000 mark, man. They didn't let it get all the way to the halving. They pulled the trigger on Saturday and sold off, so we pulled back. But that's why you always dollar cost average. Because if you went all in on that day and then it pulled back that 15%, you're going to feel a certain type of way about Bitcoin, especially if you're new to the game. But if you're just getting into it, man, I advise dollar cost averaging, buying a small amount of Bitcoin on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, just to learn about it, get your feet wet. I'm not sure how much time we have before we hit new all-time highs, but if you're new to the game, man, I definitely advise just taking your time, not investing more than you're willing to lose. Again, when I say lose, you don't lose it unless you sell, because you still have that amount of Bitcoin. Even if the price comes back 20%, You lose that dollar value if you was to go sell it right back, but as far as the amount of Bitcoin, you still have it. But when you dollar cost average, you come right back in and you buy um, um, you buy that same amount of Bitcoin the following week or the following day, whatever your schedule is. Then you're going to over time you'll begin to see gains because you're averaging in at the average price that you're buying your Bitcoin. So once the price begins to go up, you are in the profit a lot faster. You're not waiting to get all the way back to the original price that you bought in. So if you bought in at 10,000 and then it fell back to 5 and you never bought any more Bitcoin, you would have to wait till it get back to 10,000 to start seeing profit. But if you started buying it again at 5,000 and you bought the same amount of Bitcoin that you bought at 10,000, you'll be in profit around about 7,500 or so. I'm just throwing numbers off the top of my head, but you would definitely be in profit a lot faster if you dollar cost average all the way down instead of just buying high and selling low. That's what most people do. That's not what you're supposed to do. You should buy low and sell high. But anyway, man, let me just want to do a quick video, man. Hope everybody's feeling good out there. Hope y'all, man, paying attention to this Bitcoin halving. I hope you're buying you some Bitcoin dollar cost averaging, because I believe we're gonna have a great year. We sitting at 8,600 right now, but I believe by the end of the year, man, we're gonna be sitting hopefully at new all-time highs. So to get to a new all-time high, we need about another $12,000 from here, y'all. So we need to go up another 12 grand before the end of the year to get back over that $20,000. What do y'all think, y'all? Can we do it? Does Bitcoin have $12,000 in it to get back to 20,000 before we end out 2020? I want to say yeah. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments, man. If y'all like this video, man, like and subscribe. But man, holla at your boy. It's your boy Matty Ice Cold Crypto.